Today I'm making some healthy pancakes, as I have a recipe on my channel, so if you want to check that out. So 2 eggs, so I'm just going to use almond milk as well. I love using this Almond Breeze one, but you can also use the Alpo. I love Alpo too. I just prefer using almond milk because it's lower in calories and you can eat a ton more pancakes. I know it's focusing. Basically, I've just got some soft raisin flour, and I'm also going to be using some truvia, which is basically just, I'm not going to say anything because it's one of my questions that's in my Q&A that's coming up very soon, so I'm not even going to answer the question, but I'm using the truvia. So going to need, okay, if my camera wants to focus.
This video might be really weird because I'm just trying not to reveal any secrets to the questions I'm going to be answering in my Q&A. If you don't know, I'm doing a Q&A and I'm not even going to discuss it right now. I'll put it at the end of the video and I'll link the little iCard up there.
So I'm just going to start.
I'm just going to start off by cracking 2 eggs into a bowl. So it's going to serve around, going to serve around, like 2 people. Two or one person, basically. So yeah. Okay, so once 2 eggs in, just going to want to add in the almond milk.
You can see the eggs, that's how much you want to use. And now we're just going to find the, and whisk that together. Keep going until you can't really see the streaks. Obviously there will be some streaks of yellow, but that's just the egg yolk, so just keep going until you can just see that kind of cream colour. Okay, so that's done. So now it's time to add in our flour and all our dry ingredients, and then we'll add in our vanilla extract. Fry light or some low calorie oil spray. You can just like spread out a tiny bit of sunflower oil, but it's just much healthier to use a little bit like fry light or something like this. So let this heat up, then we're going to start using our batter. So I'm just going to ladle these on. So a ladle, this is more of a semicircle kind of ladle, but it holds quite a bit. I would say this is probably like a, I don't know, maybe like just over a quarter cup, I'd say. Or maybe just like, just over a quarter cup, a quarter and a bit. Or if you want to go crazy, you can add a half cup. It's actually like probably a half cup, to be honest with you. Whether your pan is hot enough, by just dropping in a tiny bit of water on my hand. I'm just gonna, okay, so if it sizzles, then you can tell that it's almost, if not ready. So that just, it should sizzle a little bit more than that. I'm gonna add in a ladle of the mixture now. Okay, I'm gonna move my bowl over because I do not want this to spill. So, and I'll just put this, okay, it's hard doing it with the camera, so I'm just gonna spread that gently around. Not too, don't make it too thin, but spread it gently around. If you want them to be bigger, just circle the entire pan, okay? Make sure that there's no gaps, or else the pancake won't be strong and you won't be able to spread it. So yeah, it will definitely be a bit thinner, to be honest with you, but you can make them definitely make them more thin. This one for quite the time. Hopefully it's not burning. If it is, then okay, great, it looks really good. Yeah. So when they're done, I will usually pop them in the oven. It sounds a bit weird, but it keeps them with texture. If you were to leave them out and pile them on top of each other, the water vapor would just make them more soggy. So keep them in the oven for around, what did I put them at? So I put mine at around 180 degrees. Just in case you guys wanted to know what I'm gonna have on top of my pancakes as my toppings, I'm gonna be having some black seedless grapes, and oh my god, here in the UK, these are amazing. Especially the chunky ones. Get the chunky ones. Next, I got some raspberries. Yeah, hopefully these will be sweet. They are usually sweet, so yeah, a sweet treat, great. And yes, I got some American style Mississippi Belle maple flavored pancake syrup. So yeah, this is good. Obviously it's not like a low sugar alternative, but guys, literally if I have this once a week, it won't affect anything to do with my health, fitness, or anything like that. So having this like once a week, I actually don't really eat these pancakes. I eat pancakes quite often, maybe like every 2 weeks, a couple times a month, maybe 3 times a month. But to be honest with you, I really don't use like, you know, like it's just balance. It's all about balance, and I will be doing a video on this, how to stay healthy this 2018 and how to be balanced in your meals and how to balance your meals, and I'll be going over like scientific research as well and studies. So if you'd like to see that kind of video, please comment down below. And yeah, basically just be balanced, have that kind of mindset, and it's delicious as well. So yeah, and it's not that unhealthy. Come on, these pancakes aren't unhealthy, the toppings aren't unhealthy, just a little bit of syrup. More like a lot of syrup, because you really adore America. So if you're American, please comment down below. Making the last pancakes are done now. If my camera's gonna focus, let's see. Okay, so it's facing now. As you can see, this is how they look. This one got a bit more crispy in the oven, which I'm very happy about, and I'm gonna still eat it. So yeah, I've got, this has made like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's also a 6th one that's being eaten. This makes around 6 pancakes, and I'm not going to write the entire recipe in the below, but I probably will put the ingredients and the measurements, and I do have a full formal recipe on my channel, so if you want to click back there, subscribe if you want to, and watch them. So many pictures. So these are the finished pancakes. With a cup of tea. I've got 4 pancakes here. I know this is my Sunday treat breakfast. So I do have a Sunday treat breakfast where I eat much more than in the week time. For my breakfast, I would usually have like half this or less for my breakfast during the week time. But just because I don't have time to eat in the morning, I just don't have time to eat this kind of, you know, really sit down kind of food. I would love to be the kind of person that has avocado and toast, and you know, has like an hour to eat their breakfast, but I don't. So this is the kind of breakfast I will have on a Sunday if I've got time. And yeah, 4 pancakes, maple syrup, golden syrup, grapes, all the works. Hope you guys enjoyed this video slash vlog. I've been noticing in the comments, I've been getting a lot of comments saying great vlog, good vlog. I'm just like, thank you, because it takes lots of effort. So thank you guys so much for commenting all those lovely comments down below. Please do what the next clip says for my Q&A. Those are just all the instructions. I'll probably put the instructions down below with time. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.